Hi, my name is Pavel.
Hello, I'm Susanna.
And we are sitting here in front of the largest furniture company in the world, IKEA. We see all those people waiting in line to get their furniture product. And we know we can do it a bit better online with our solution.